Hello there, guys. I'm Jacktopus, or you can call me Jackson or Jacktopus, whichever one you want. So today we are gonna be comparing a Stikbot to a Klikbot from the differences. So first, let's get these guys out. This guy. Let's move all of this to the side. Now let's just open this. Dump this guy out. Whoops. Okay. So here is the Klikbot out of his box. He has 3 legs that would go with the accessories later. So, well, he has accessories, but this Klikbot doesn't have any accessories. He's just all alone. I don't know how to say that. Well, so a similarity is if you look at their faces, they kind of look similar. Well, the Klikbot, if you move him like this, you hear noise. Well, could you hear noise on the Stikbot? Kind of. Okay. Well, it's still better to animate a Stikbot because he is more easier to move. Like this. Now let's set that guy to a side. And these guys to a side. Well, now let's just take a look at these accessories of the Klikbot. So we have his helmet that you could put on later. The extra pair of legs. So these go on his feet. And his weapons. And this just, like, say you needed to remove a piece, just use it to unconnect. Put this to a side. And now, let's talk about the Stikbot. He is connected by ropes, that you could see that. He could stay in more pose positions like this. I just like to go around sometimes. Okay, let's put that character to a side. Okay, now let's look at the boxes of similarities. So, if you look closely, you could actually find the messages. You create, you animate, you share. Click, animate, share. And now, I'm just gonna get this guy all suited up real quick. Okay, now first I'll suit this guy up for the end of the video, just to show you of what he looks like when he's suited up and all ready for battle. Need to do this. Okay. Now let's get these in. Can't really get them. So let me know in the comments down below if you like the Stikbot better or the Klikbot. Let me know that in the comments down below. See you next time.